Hello everyone, this is Aniston Yandel. For my second formal analysis for Project 3, I'm going to be analyzing Jose Clemente Orozco's painting, The Banquet of the Rich. Once again, I do just want to preface, I am recovering from strep throat, so please excuse the way that my voice sounds right now. Alright, so let's just hop on in. So first I just want to go ahead and explain what we see in this mural. So, like I just mentioned, this painting is a mural from the Mexican muralism movement. This mural can be found in the three-story courtyard of the Escuela Nacional Preparatoria. It was painted in between the years 1923 and 1924. Orozco uses some unique caricature styles within this piece that were not very common within the Mexican muralism movement, which is just a cool part about this piece. To go ahead and explain what we are seeing within this mural, in the top half of the mural, you are seeing the upper class, wealthy, rich people of that time feasting together at a banquet, enjoying lots of food, partying, drinking, and just having a great time. While in the bottom half portion of the mural, you are seeing the lower working class fighting one another, trying to get out of the situation that they are in as they are having to work and not making much money, and overall just being taken advantage of. So to get into a little bit of analysis regarding some elements and principles of design, we see that Orozco does a great job choosing colors within this piece. You can see the bottom half is darker, gloomier, which fits for the narrative of them fighting and just being in a negative situation. And so it adds to that narrative within the piece. And then the upper half has brighter colors, more vibrancy, which adds to the happier, just the happiness of that part of the painting. I also want to mention that the artist does a great job with shading. The bottom portion is very well shaded and adds a lot of realisticness to the piece. Contrast is another thing that really stands out within this piece, also pertaining to the two different situations and narratives going on, as well as the different colors chosen. I think the top portion within the banquet and then the lower portion with the working class contrasts really well, and I also find the proportions very interesting too. I think the painter does a good job with the proportions, as the working class is actually a little bit bigger than the upper class portion with them celebrating feasting at a banquet. I think he did this on purpose to further the narrative that he was trying to get through to the viewers of this mural, showing the problems with the working class and how they're mistreated and are overall having to attack one another to try to get some type of gain. So I think that is why that is a little bit larger in portion. I also think it's interesting how the artist didn't leave any white space. The whole mural is covered with color and different aspects to just bring the message across within this piece. So yeah, there's my analysis. Thank you for listening.